Okay guys, so today we are going to review all the colors, right? Here you see I put all the colors in a circle, and here we have a big black chair. One by one come over. One by one come over. Sit on the chair. I roll the chair like that, and when the chair stops, whichever cards you're pointing, you're facing to, you have to say it is white, or it is black, it is pink, it is green. Okay, who wants to try? Okay, let's do it one by one. Come on, Kevin, come over, sit on the chair. Here we go. Kevin, you ready? Here we go. What color is it? Here we go and stop. Okay. What color is it? What color is it? Yes, Kevin. Very good. It is blue. Well done, Kevin. Sit down. And Ellen, come over. Come on, Ellen. So, Ellen, you ready? Here we go. Here we go. And stop there. Is it? What color is it? Yes. Very good. Thank you. Come on, Alice turn. Next we have Alice. Ready? Okay. Okay. And stop. What color is it? What color is it? Yes, Alice. Very good. Thank you. Come on, Harry. Ready? Go. Okay. Okay. And we stop where? Why are you laughing? Okay. Guys, ask, what color is it? What color is it? Yes. It is yellow. Very good. Thank you. Come on, Emma. Emma, you ready? Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Guys, ask, is it? What color is it? It is orange. Very good. Come on, Sarah. Sarah kangaroo. Sarah kangaroo. Sarah kangaroo. Sarah kangaroo, you ready? Go. Okay. Here we go and stop there. Okay, you got it. Guys, ask together. What color is it? What color is it? It is black. Very easy for Sarah. Thank you. Okay. 3, 2, 1. And stop there. Okay. See the card and use them in a structure. I taste with my tongue. Wonderful, Helen. Thank you. Sit down. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Jerry's turn. Here. Okay. Here. I hear with my ear. Wonderful, Jerry.